Good morning, students. Class 7th Science, and our topic, what is temperature? While thermal energy is the total energy possessed by a substance, temperature tells how hot or cold a substance is. It is the measure of how fast or slow the molecule are moving. Let us take a bucket and fill it with tap water. The molecules will have some movement, and therefore the water will possesses some thermal energy and have a certain temperature. Now let us fill a cup with the water from the bucket. The temperature of the water in the cup and in the bucket will be the same, but the amount of thermal energy contained in the bucket will be more because the bucket has more water. Thus, temperature indicates the level of thermal energy, but it does not tell how much energy is present in the substance. See in the activity, container A and B have a same matter and both have a same temperature. Circle represent molecule. Which of the two will have more thermal energy and why? 30 degree centigrade and 30 degree centigrade. Its answer given by you, and you have think about why like this. And second, think and answer. Two copper containers A and B completely filled with tap water and heated on the same source for 5 minutes. The temperature of a container A 19 degree centigrade, B has a temperature 14 degree centigrade. Which container has a larger volume? You also think this answer and give them. Temperature of the substance can be measured using a device is called thermometer. You will learn about measuring temperature later in this lesson. Now that you have learned what thermal energy and temperature mean, let us learn about heat. What is heat? Heat is the thermal energy that flows. Thermal energy flows between objects due to a difference in temperature. Heat transfer occur from a region of high temperature to the region of lower temperature. That is why heat flows from one object or a medium to another only when one is warmer than the other. The flow of thermal energy can be compared with the flow of water. What water always flows from a higher level to a lower level. Similarly, thermal energy always flows from a region of high temperature to the region of lower temperature. The flow of thermal energy will continue until the temperatures of the two objects become equal. You have seen the diagram, heat transfer lower temperature and body temperature is higher, and then heat come to the lower temperature. Thank you, student.